city center. Hi guys, we made it and we're going to walk now. We're going to show you guys a little bit of this, going from the main train station into the downtown area. It's a beautiful day, so we're going to take advantage of it. Luxemburg City on a very beautiful but windy day. You guys can probably hear that in the microphone a bit. And it's yeah, we're looking for the palace, but I think I see it right over there. I'm not 100% sure though. It's my first time actually exploring this city ever. I come here a lot of times for my passport stuff, but I never actually thought to get out and just look, you know. Look at the buildings behind us. Old city here. Look at this. Oh yes, absolutely. It's a little bit hard on the feet, but this is part of the old fortification steps. Stairways, as in more stairs, as in I got caught skipping leg day again. Easy, young puppy. Good, but Look straight up. We're under that big bridge that goes between the train station and the main city. So we came down in the valley here where there's a nice little park down in the shade away from the really hot sun, and we see the big bridge that's, yeah, you see that right back there above my head, kind of. That's the bridge that goes between the Bahnhof, the Luxemburg train station, and then the central part of Luxemburg City. So, and we're gonna walk down here and see what we can see and enjoy a little bit of shade and a little bit of break from that wind. See how that goes. Rock face, arrow slits, an old fortification hidden between two rocks. How cool is that? And more ruins and the way up to the top up there, if you want to climb all of that. I'm sure soldiers in enemy armies totally love climbing that. Not. And more ruins. Beautiful park here. I'm not sure if that was a mine or a cannon firing port, but there's another hole right there too. More fortifications hidden in and amongst the rocks. Everything to defend this magnificent city. Wow, I bet you that's busy on the weekends. Now tell me that's not cool. How high is that? It's a railroad bridge and walking bridge, and if you look in the over there on the side of the cliff, more firing ports for cannons. Like I said, they would defend the crap out of this town in the Middle Ages. Unreal. The people looking down at us from way up there. This old train trestle made out of stone. And standing here probably for 100 years. And if any enemies made it past this part, they had more firing ports to shoot them in the back with. There's just no way of taking this place by force. Wow.
Da, guck mal, wie die Enten da drüben schwimmen.
The old and the new mixed together. Wow. Mm.